So okay, all good.
And since Malini is just near, then
Mm-mm.
it will be fast.
Yeah, very fast. 5 minutes to 10 minutes only to Malini. Very near.
Thing is, I hope there is a spot.
Yes,
It's,
but we not guarantee have sunset. Yeah, even now still bright. Yeah, not guarantee because now
what current? Sorry.
not guarantee we can see the sunset today because sometime on sunset time it's cloudy also can like that. Yeah, you need to wear the sarong. Yeah, I take one for you. Is like that? No. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. Okay.
Even though you go for my picture.
Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. Just like this, and then you type one first. You can put in the middle or in the side, and then one more time like this.
I like this on this side.
Like this.
Yeah.
This is too tight. Oh, sorry. This too tight or not? And then one more time like this. Excuse me.
Okay.
Yeah. Like this.
First,
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Also
This is
the-
sarong.
sarong. Yes, for temple.
Too tight.
Oh, too tight?
Yeah.
Ah,
Like this. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, like this. Okay.
And then
Yeah,
I
this
pay.
Yeah, you pay for yourself, yeah. So one ticket, later you will get the ticket and the barcode, and then later entrance will be scan the barcode. Yeah, you queue here. Yeah, that side. Yeah, this side. Listen.
Yeah, I'm going. I'm free. Only free.
You got the ticket, yes. Scan. Please scan the. Okay. Okay, this way. I don't use sunglasses because yeah, and hat as well sometimes. Yeah. So for the temple itself is Jelani, actually we only walk around. We see the temple on the in the middle on the top there, and with a nice view of the Indian Ocean. Yeah. But later in the temple, the main temple, we're not allowed to enter inside of the temple. They have kids later, but you can take a picture, no problem. Video or picture can. Yeah, famous. Yes. Evening. In the evening, actually in this area a lot of beaches. Yeah. So I think at night not suitable to go. Yeah, not suitable to go at night. Yeah. But the most happening activity in this area is only Kecha and fire dance at night. Yeah, this area. So not all of them watching Kecha dancing. Sometimes they also just run round in the temple as well. So dancing is optional. And you see there, a lot of people queue for the tickets. I think they will get the second season because first season,
Yeah, I saw this film already.
Right. That's why. That's what I think. We go down there first. Yeah. If you buy on the spot, is 150,000 rupiah. So 150 means like the red color one pieces, and then the blue color one pieces. 150. Too many zeros, sometimes very difficult to for tourists to understand about that Indonesian money.
So how long is the show?
1 hour dance show only. Even in Uluwatu or Melasti same, 1 hour dance show. Yeah, we have to. Yeah, if you want to go to see the Melasti, from here we one round only, and then directly back to the car park. Yeah, so from that side. So this is the Indian Ocean, and the stage for Kecha and dancing is there.
There.
Yeah. And the Malini is just next of this cliff. Yeah, next door of this cliff. That side more beautiful. Please, Silani, from the top there more beautiful. The side, on that another side also.
I want pictures here.
Yeah.
After that.
From the top is more beautiful. From the top is more nice. See, from here. Yeah, excuse me.
Wow. That is better.
Yeah, that's why I show you the best one.
But how about for the photo?
Oh, you want the photo?
Yeah.
I take for you.
Maybe there because it's too near.
Oh, yeah. For photo, I show you how. Tilani, please stand up here. Stand up here. I will take picture for
Okay,
you.
okay.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. One, two, and oh, this video. Wait. One, two, and video. I have another spot later. Beautiful one, another spot. Got monkeys. Oh, from the side, yes.
It's a big wall.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Down there? Or here? Stand up there? Okay. Yeah.
Later after.
Okay. Oh, kan?
Lihat ke pantai. Mana sih kayak di mana? Ini nggak ada. Ini Mas Yanto mah suruh saya tuh belok itu cina. Itu aja turun.
Take out the camera, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2. You can look at me, okay? Yes, bro. Okay. Okay, chalo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. You can look him. Kiss. All good. Come here.
Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Bocor tapi kan apa ya? Oke, sepi, oke, sip. After, oke. Baik. Oh iya. Siapa? Oke. Oh, ayo, ditunggu. Oh, ya. Okay. I took many, but some one. Yeah. The best spot is another side. Is that got monkeys? So I hide my head.
Ay, ako.
Look at the monkeys there. Yeah. Oh, there's still the glasses from tourists. Like you see in the sign, do not enter for worshiping only. So this is part of the main, part of the main temple inside here. Yeah, so lots of motif there. Oh, another glasses there. That's why phone as well. Be careful, don't hold on the hand. So here is the main temple of Hindu. Yes, but maximum from here.
I can take picture of.
Yeah. Or from here can, also from side also can. You want to take picture? Sir?
I think they're in line.
Oh,
Yeah, but I want picture maybe even outside.
yeah. And maybe because they is still long, I think better we take from the other side first.
Okay, let's
Then can come back. Yeah, let's show you the best one. show you from the side. More nice view. I show you closer. Yeah. So this is the temple. This is the place for the priest who leads the ceremony. Yeah. And the people will be behind the priest, sitting down here, and then put all offering in the temple later when we have a ceremony. But at the time when hot, we put tent here because many people sitting down here. And in the middle of the day, it's too hot for them to sit down. Yeah. That's why you saw just now is Indian people even not allowed to come except for sitting.
Hindu Balinese.
Yes, in Balinese pray.
Picture. And I'll try from the front.
All right. All right. Oh yeah. This side better. You still can stand up?
Oh no, not.
Oh, not
me,
not the
I just
temple.
wanted- yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe later at the
Sure,
front.
sure.
I will try it.
Sure. Maybe view is from here, can? Maybe stand up here or stand up there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Foto, video? Video. Zoom out. From close was. Okay. 1, 2.
Ja.
Sorry, ini tuh. Good?
Yes.
You want more? You want more?
The view is
Video?
so beautiful.
Yes. This is south side of Bali Island.
South side.
Yeah, south side. South. So no more island, only Indian Ocean.
Maybe we can go. Yeah.
So now is 5 o'clock.
Okay.
What do you think? To Malini later?
Yes.
One
yes.
round and Malini.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So we go down there. Yeah. Oh, alright. This way. Yeah, so many spots like this to take picture. Yeah. Along the way, spot to take picture. Uluwatu. Update situation of Uluwatu Temple today at 13th of June 2025 by Antoro Bali daily tour trip service.
Take one more of
Sure.
landscape and like
Sure.
from near.
Oh yeah, zoom out.
Zoom it out.
Okay. Oh, careful with the mountain.
Okay, okay.
With me. Ah. Okay. Good.
Or maybe
Aku.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can check
Okay.
first. Oh my god.
Wow.
Can it become stable?
Yeah, I
Can.
think, yeah. I'm okay with this.
I mean, I need to be stable
Okay.
and you can. Because it a bit shaking, you want more maybe?
Yeah, yeah. Here, brother.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please look after your phone. I will bring this.
They don't like to sleep.
Yeah, you will scare. Just to scaring them.
It's a lot.
Until to the top there. Right. But in Malini, have you booked? Booked the table? Not yet.
Maybe I will check.
Yeah,
If
check.
not, we can go somewhere else.
Yes, okay.
I have check another clip first.
Sure, sure. Turn right. Or you want more explore? No? Yeah. This one is the sunset is no
It's
heads.
cloudy, no?
Yeah, look. Cloudy. That's why at sunset time not always got sunset.
Yeah, like there's a lot of clouds.
I think Malini you will like it.
Okay. Yeah. I hope that
Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully because one person only, right? Yeah.
Taking walking video because we take it. I'm afraid.
Yeah. Last time in Kelati also got kecak dan but I don't know now. Last time they had. Oh look,
And
with the cake,
fighting there.
the chips.
Have the big fire. Why don't and fire? This is story of fighting. Karena fighting lama. This the Bukakana symbol fighting Hanuman. Hanuman is the king of the mountain. Is the big albino. Yeah, the story. Later you can look at this.
Turn left. Yes, sir. Actually, if you want to more explore, but you cannot go, you will miss. Yeah, you will miss sunset later. You will still further up there, but still a long time. Oh, okay. So I'm following you or stay? Following you. Okay. Yes, on the way to exit, the car park, and then go to Bali. Yeah, as you see by yourself, yeah.